World created with love.
Yung family po natin is a small world. Ibig sabihin, when you are in your family, you feel complete. Para yung anak natin, hindi na lalabas sa iba. Hindi na pupunta sa iba. Feel complete. And because it is created with love, nagawa po akong acronym, because Holy Family Academy, tama po? Bagitin nga po natin. Holy Family Academy. So, because our family is created with love, therefore, there is happiness, there is forgiveness, and there is acceptance in your family. Kung di pa nangyayari yun, start today. There must be happiness, forgiveness, and acceptance in your family. Good afternoon po.